Hello students, here in this video we are going to explain you the construction of tangents from an external point to a circle, but there are a lot of steps we have here in this question. So this is the question number 11.2, question number 6. Then let the triangle ABC, in which AB is your 6 centimeter, BC is your 8 centimeter, angle B is your 90 degree. So first you have to construct a right angle triangle of these dimensions. Okay, so first of all you have to take the ruler and compass. So in this construction, first we have to draw AB 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter. First we draw BC 8 centimeter. So this is your BC 8 centimeter. Thereafter you have to construct at angle B 90 degree. Okay, next you have to take AB your 6 centimeter. Now you have to join this point, this is your A, to the point C to get a right angle triangle. So this is your right angle triangle ABC constructed. Next step is you have to draw BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. From B on AC you have to construct a perpendicular line. For that you have to keep your compass at the point B. And you have to stage the compass little more than the length of AC and take 2 arc. Thereafter you have to bisect this arc length. Okay, then join this point to B. So this way you get this point is your D. So this is the point D. Now your question is, next step, draw a circle passes through BC and D. So for that you have to draw a circumcircle which passes through BC and D. Then you have to bisect the BC and you bisect the CD. So this both perpendicular bisector of BC and this CD intersect at this point. Let this point is your O. Now by taking O center, OC as a radius, you have to draw a circle. So this circle is passes through BC and D. Okay. Now the last step is there to construct a triangle from A to this circle. So from here you have to join your OA. So this OA is the line segment joining the point to the center. Now we have to draw the bisector of OC. This perpendicular bisector meeting at this point. Now you have to take the compass here and put the pointer at this place and then take the radius as till A. Now this new circle is passes through 2 points at B and the point this. Join these two to get a 2 tangents. So this way you find AB and AP. Name it P. Name it P. So AP and AB are two required tangents. Okay. So this is a very complicated figure and you have to draw this step by step. Okay. You pause the video time to time and try to do the construction by own. You will get the two pair of tangents. You will get two pair of tangents from A to B and A to P. So AP and AB are the two tangents. Okay.